Hello guys, welcome once again to this channel, and my name is Olani Olushola, and today I'll be sharing with you the duration and the profitability of Velas Chicken and Leah's Chicken. I'll be sharing with you the duration and the profitability of Velas Chicken and Leah's Chicken. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell not to miss out on any of the agric disease I'll be sharing with you. And without further ado, let's get started. Broiler chicken are being raised mainly for the consumption of their meat. And if you are thinking about starting a poultry farm with birds, I would advise you to go for broiler chicken due to the shorter duration they have. By 6 to 8 weeks of their age, they are good to go. By then, they will be of 2, 2 to 2.8 kg or 3 kg. So by then, they are good to go, and then you can sell them for slaughtering or for frozen food. And if you are thinking of leaving them maybe for festive period or any other thing, you are very good to go. And if you are thinking about a more shorter duration, you can rear them from day old to like 4 weeks and sell them to those that are unable to raise chicken from day old, or those that don't have the knowledge of raising chicken from day old. And talking of layers chicken are being raised mainly for the consumption of their egg and also their meat. And layers chicken take longer duration than of broilers chicken. And if you are thinking about starting a layer chicken, they take more longer duration than broiler chicken. So within 17 to 18 and also 20 of their age, they start laying by that time. And some may even take longer time depending on how you feed them. And it takes 24 to 26 hours before a new egg form after laying, and they lay for 250 or 280 days before they start skipping days of laying. Then there will be old layers then, so they won't have the strength, the energy to keep on laying every day, so they will be skipping days. They may lay today and skip a day or two before laying another one. Then you can sell them for their meat then to have more profit after the profit you earn from the egg. So you sell them to have more profit and bring in the new ones. And also, if you are thinking that you can't wait for that long period, you can raise them to the point of lay, maybe from day old to 14, 16 weeks of age, and sell them to those that are unable to raise chicken from day old, or those that don't have the knowledge of raising chicken. So the two birds are very profitable if you know how to raise them, how to maintain them. So the two birds are very profitable, and they have different duration of age. So if you are going to poultry farm, you have to consider the duration and the profitability. So I'll be sharing more about poultry farming business on my next video. And if you have any issue on your poultry farm, check on any veterinary doctor that's closer to you, or any consultant to help you with the issue you have in your farm. And thank you once again for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe on this channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss out on any of my video I'll be sharing on poultry farming. And thank you. God bless.